Hey guys, it's time for some pattern practice again. Today we're going to do it with our friend Moby. Okay, so here we go. Listen carefully.
Check it out, Moby. I made a pattern. Let's see. What fruit comes next?
What comes next?
What is a pattern? A pattern is something that repeats over and over again. You can find patterns that use colors, shapes, sizes, and even movements. You can also find patterns that use sounds. Something is not a pattern if it does not repeat. There's no section that repeats over and over again. How can you make a pattern? I'll start with one blue car and one red car. That's one section or unit. Repeat the unit over and over to make the pattern. So I'll line up another unit and keep going to make a longer pattern. You started with one big marble, then you added another big marble, and then you tacked on a small marble. Repeat the unit to make a pattern. How can you figure out patterns? When you look for a pattern, look for the unit that repeats over and over again. Which unit repeats in this pattern? The rhombus, triangle, and square always repeat in that order. What comes after the triangle? Right, a square. You have a pattern to show me? It's helpful to write down or draw pictures to help you figure out a pattern. Spin, hop, hop, point. Spin, hop, spin, hop, point. Cool, I see the pattern. What happens right after you spin? You hop twice, then point. I have another pattern. Listen carefully. Try writing or using colors to help you figure out the pattern.
What's she doing?
What comes next? Use the colored letters to help you. Right, a clap. Here's another pattern. What's the missing shape? Look for the unit that repeats. What comes right after the square? Right, a triangle. Patterns can help you make predictions about what might happen in the future. Our seasons always follow the same pattern. Winter, spring, summer, and fall. Then it repeats all over again. We can predict that near the end of winter, the weather will start to get warmer because spring always follows winter. Anyway, Moby, what comes next in this pattern? Lunch comes next. B. You ate my pattern.
Okay, so that Moby and little girl were talking about different types of patterns. All right, let's take a quiz
Easy.
and see how you do it.
Start.
Which shape comes next in the pattern? So we have a square, a star, a rhombus, a square, a star, a rhombus, a square, a star, then a rhombus. Good. Okay, how can you record this pattern in words? So let's see. They're using the words smooth and bumpy. All right, so let's look at this. Is this smooth or bumpy? Smooth. So this is bumpy. So let's do it together. Smooth, smooth, bumpy. Smooth, smooth, bumpy. Smooth, smooth, bumpy. So we're going to try to find that one. Let's see if any of them say smooth, smooth, bumpy.
Smooth, smooth, bumpy. Smooth, smooth, bumpy.
Is that what we said? Yeah, let's see if we get it right. Good job. All right, this one says, which shows a pattern? Take a look at these four real quick and then let's talk about it. See if you can look at them and decide which one makes a pattern. Pattern repeats itself. All right, raise your hand if you think it's A. Okay, raise your hand if you think it's B. Raise your hand if you think it's C. Oh my goodness, look at all the hands. I think you're right. Let's try it and see. Is D a pattern? No. So let's see if you guys are right. Good job. All right. What is one unit of this pattern? That means it repeats itself. So it has A, B, B, A, B, B, A, B, B. So what are we saying? What's repeating itself? A, B, B, right? Good job. One more question. What is another way to show this pattern? 4, 6, 8. 4, 6, 8. So it's like an A, B, C pattern, okay? Let's see. Clap, snap, tap. Clap, snap, tap. Clap, snap, tap. Does it sound like this A, B, C going over? We'll see. You were right. Good job, friends. All right, you guys have done a great job with this today. So in your class kick today, we are going to complete some worksheets, and tomorrow you guys are going to get to create your own patterns. See you tomorrow.